Edna. It's Saturday morning and we're getting ready to move. Let's start with our opening song, our welcome song. We're going to clap and tap, clap and tap. Hello to everyone, and how are you today? We've come to our circle time to sing and laugh and play. And when we're up, and when we're down. When we're only halfway up, we're neither up nor down. And roll your hands so slowly. Roll them very fast. Give your hands a clap, clap, clap. Lay them in your lap, tap, tap. Go to the moon. Are you ready to do zoom, zoom? I guess I could have left it off. We're going to tuck our wrist ribbon up. If you don't have one, that's okay. Just going to put our hands together. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! To the moon we went. Yay! It's great to go to the moon. Where else shall we go to, boys and girls? Okay, let's go to the beach. Are you ready? Zoom, 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 we're going to the beach. Zoom, 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 we're going to the beach. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the beach. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! To the beach we go. Ooh, good job. All right. Zoomed off to the beach. We're going to get some exercise. We'll do head and shoulders, knees and toes. Are you ready, boys and girls? Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes. Eyes, ears, mouth and nose. Did you get that? Shall we go a little bit faster? Okay. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes. Eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. Oh, that wasn't that fast and I'm already out of breath. But you want to go faster? Okay. I'll do it the best I can. All right. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes. Eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. Oh my goodness. That was hard. Get ready. Remember, your fingers can be your monkeys. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor. The doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off, bumped his head. Mama called the doctor. The doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off, bumped his head. Mama called the doctor. The doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off, bumped his head. Mama called the doctor. The doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor. The doctor said, "Put those monkeys straight to bed." And that's exactly what Mama did. She put those monkeys straight to bed. Oh, and you remember, boys and girls, those monkeys the next day, they were outside playing in the tree. And what were they doing? They were teasing Mr. Crocodile. remember how that one goes? Are you ready? I'm going to put it out here in front of me. All right. 5 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile, as quiet as could be, and snap! 4 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile, as quiet as can be, and snap! 3 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile, as quiet as can be, and snap! 2 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile, as quiet as can be, and snap! 1 little monkey sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. And along came Mr. Crocodile, as quiet as can be, and snap! No more monkeys sitting in the tree. Oh, Mr. Crocodile, you chased all those monkeys away by snapping your big giant jaw. That's a fun monkey song too. All right, now we're going to do our song Tiny Tim. Do you remember Tiny Tim? He was in the bathtub. There's our turtle. I guess that's him there. And there's his shell. There's Tiny Tim. I have a little turtle. His name is Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank up all the water. He ate up all the soap. He woke up in the morning with a bubble in his throat. Bubble, 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 pop. That's a fun song. Shall we try it one more time? All right, get your turtle ready. There he is with his shell. I have a little turtle. His name is Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank up all the water. He ate up all the soap. He woke up in the morning with a bubble in his throat. Bubble, 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 pop. Oh, that was a big bubble in that little turtle's throat. Well, all right, today, boys and girls, I have a story called Monkey See, Monkey Do by Marc Gave. It looks like they're teasing each other. Monkey see, monkey do. Monkey me, monkey you, monkey see, monkey do. Do you see what the monkey is doing? The dog is scratching his ear, so the monkey is scratching his ear. The little girl has got her finger here, and the monkey has got his finger there. Monkey on the left, monkey on the right. Monkey in the middle, monkey out of sight. Where did that monkey go? Oh, there's the pages. Monkey up a tree, monkey on the ground. Where's the monkey? Oh my goodness, that monkey is. He's in the tree just like our monkeys were in our song. Monkeys in a bunch, monkeying all around. Look at all those monkeys. Do you think we could count them today? Let's see if we can count them without missing any. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do you think? Oh, and there's one hiding in the box. Do you see his hand there? 10 monkeys monkeying around. Monkeys stay, monkeys go. I wonder where they're going. Monkeys go fast, monkeys go slow. They're fast when they're the only one on the road and slow when there's more traffic. Monkeys walk, monkeys run. Looks like they're having a lot of fun. Monkeys have some monkey fun. Oh, I was right. They were having a lot of fun. Monkeys bend, monkeys reach. Just like we were doing with Head and Shoulders. We were reaching and bending. Monkeys lie along the beach. Oh, I wonder if they zoomed to the beach like we did. Monkeys swim, monkeys row. Some want to be in the boat and some want to be in the water. Monkeys swing to and fro. Shall we count our monkeys again? See if they're all there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 8 monkeys this time. Monkeys play while the sky is light. Monkeys sleep through the night. I wonder if they were jumping on the bed before they went to sleep, just like our monkeys were earlier. Good night. We're all saying goodbye. It's time to go home to bed. Well, that was a fun little story about monkeys. All right, boys and girls, let's stand up for our goodbye song. It's a short circle time today. We take our little hands and clap, 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 clap. We take our little hands, clap, clap, clap. It's time to say goodbye. We take our little feet, stomp, 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 stomp. We take our little feet, stomp, stomp, stomp. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, boys and girls.